Let's take an example of completing an ordered pair given an equation. Here's an application. A small business purchased a computer for $2,000. They predict the computer will be used for 5 years, and the value in dollars, Y dollars, of the computer in X years is given by this equation. Y, that's the value, is equal to negative 300 times X, which is the years, plus 2,000. Complete a table of values for 0 to 5 years, from now, year 0, and go 5 years out. Okay, so here we have a table, and X is going from 0 right through 5. And what we're going to do is plug in these X values into our equation and find our Y values. Okay, so for example, if X is 0, we plug 0 in, we get Y equals negative 300 times 0 plus 2,000. Okay, so negative 300 times 0, anything times 0 is 0, plus 2,000, so Y will just be equal to 2,000. So initially the value is 2,000, so we plug this in here, 2,000. Okay, so similarly now if X is 1, that's 1 year out from now. If X is 1, the value is going to be Y equals negative 300 times 1 plus 2,000. Well, negative 300 times 1 is negative 300, plus 2,000 gives us $1,700. So the value in 1 year will be $1,700. So we can see what's happening. It's actually going down by 300 every year. And we can continue to fill out this table. Thus, if X is 2, then we plug that into our equation. We get Y equals negative 300 times 2 plus 2,000. So negative 300 times 2 is negative 600. Negative 600 plus 2,000 will give us $1,400 here. So put that in our table. So in 2 years it's worth $1,400. Okay. And after X is 3, negative 300 times 3 plus 2,000, that's negative 900 plus 2,000. That gives you 1,100. So 1,100. So in 3 years it's worth 1,100. And so we see it's depreciating by $300 every year. And so we could actually fill these out quite quickly here. Year 4 it's going to be 800, and year 5 it will be 500. And there's our table of values. Now we could actually plot this on the XY coordinate or rectangular coordinate plane to see what it looks like. Okay, we can see here, we can see a plot of the data. We have 0, 2,000, the first point, 1, 1,700, 1, 1,700. Remember, the X values are years and the Y values are the value. Then we have 2, 1,400. Then 3, 1,100. Then 4, 800. And 5, 500. We can see the value as it goes down over the years. And we would call that actually a linear function, a linear depreciation.